Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the command echo to write things to the screen. We'll start off by writing echo hello kitty boom boom and press enter, and as you can see the text is written here to the screen. But what you also can do is to take the same sentence but instead use the greater than sign and type the name of a file you want to save this to. So we write test.txt and press enter, and as you can see the text file is appearing here. And if we look inside it, it will have the same string as was written to the console. And what we also can do is to actually echo things inside of variables. So to access a variable, you use the percentage signs and then you write the name of, for instance, path. And this will show you everything in the environmental variable path. And if you want some more info, you can just write echo and then / and then question mark. And you will get some messages here on how to use this command. That was everything for this time. See you next tutorial.